How are we doing today, Green Thumbs? My name is Brandon, here with another how-to video. I'm sure by the end of the year, you guys have seen planters that are well overgrown and gone wild. You know for sure that the root ball is going to be root bound. I can show you how to take care of that in just a few short steps. Stick with me and I'll get through the process. This is a plant my brother had found at the recycling center. Someone had just thrown out and he wasn't sure exactly what it was, so he brought it home. We brought it back to life and now we need to do something with it. So I'm going to first start out by squeezing the root ball and trying to work this thing out of here. And it's not going to be easy when the roots have really gone crazy. Wow, so you can actually tell we have not actually ever looked at this thing, but the roots have gone gangbusters and this thing is completely root bound. So you can take, they say, up to 25-30% off the root ball without directly affecting the plant. Obviously it does give it some setback, but by trimming the root ball, it actually stimulates the roots to grow more and it kind of breaks it from the root boundness. So in order to do that, you can use your hands and rough it up, but what makes it easy is if you have a nice little handy dandy saw. So all I'm going to do is just shave off Alright, now as you can see, we got rid of most of the root boundness. Right here we recut, it's going to stimulate the roots to grow more. And then I'm just going to hack off the bottom. You can see what I'm left with. Now you really have two options. You can honestly throw some soil and put it back in the same pot, so you'll refreshen the soil, throw this in the same pot and then backfill around it. Because I'm getting ready for shows, I'm going to get this thing in an easy swap pot. So now it's just and now just backfill. Right, hopefully you guys all feel a little more confident dealing with your out of control overgrown containers and root bound plants. We are going to probably go ahead and trim some of this plant back and trying to really get the plant to focus its energy on root growth so that this thing can be ready for shows and look good. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more how-to videos. Thank you much. So here we are, I got just a pruners, and we're going to hack this back and try to clean it up so it doesn't look so wild and overgrown. I'm just going to take things that are kind of spindly and long, go down in so you can't see the cuts, and cut it back. Just finally finished hacking back the plant and making it a little bit cleaner and not so wild looking. Here you are. You can see that backside's a little bare, but that should fill in a few weeks. And like I always say, the last step is just to give her some water. I haven't given it any water yet, and we always want to water things in fairly well when we transplant. So that should do her.